Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a TP-Link TL-MR3420 wireless N router. And this isn't an ordinary wireless N router, it's a 3G 4G wireless N router. That means you can use a 3G 4G dongle into one of its USB ports, which should be on the side, and then share your 3G 4G connection over Wi-Fi. Now this is a wireless N router with a speed of 300 Mbps. Now that's the maximum possible speed that you can attain using the Wi-Fi standard, and that's not your 3G or 4G speeds. That's a completely different thing. And as a backup, you can also use your WAN connection. So if you have an Ethernet-based internet connection that's an external source, you can use that as is normal with any other router. Now let's flip this around. Here you can see the different modes of operation. You can see that you can use a normal external modem with an Ethernet connection to use this as a Wi-Fi router. You can also use a 3G 4G dongle to share your 3G 4G connection using the TL-MR3420. It also states that it has quick and reliable Wi-Fi, so that's a bit more of marketing jargon. Here are some of the features mentioned at the bottom. It says you can use 3G 4G USB modems to connect. It has parental controls, so you can figure out which sites can be accessed on the internet, and you can block certain ones that you don't want your kids to be accessing. Then it has bandwidth control for different devices, so you can set priorities accordingly. And lastly, it has IPv6 support. Now, when you're speaking about internet connectivity using 3G and 4G dongles, there are a lot of different standards in the country that are prevalent, and your router should actually support one of these devices. So in order to understand the standards, you can simply pop up the side and read more about it. So over here it mentions that the compatibility is with LTE, HSPA+, HSUPA+, HSDPA, UMTS, and EVDO USB modems. That's about it for the external marketing mumbo jumbo. Let's open it up, which we all already done, and see what's on the inside. Once we remove the packaging, we can see that it comes with a quick installation guide. Then it has a no general public license notice. That's because it uses some open source firmware. Then you have the power adapter. It comes with a standard Indian plug, that's a 2-pin Indian plug. On the other hand, you have a cylindrical plug. Then you have the modem itself. And underneath the modem, you have an Ethernet cable, which should be about 2 feet long. Those were all the components that you see inside the packaging of a TL-MR3420 wireless N router that's capable of using your 3G and 4G wireless connection along with it. This is the actual router. That was it for this particular unboxing. Thank you.